Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to log in to your Whiteboard Crypto account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now at the address bar, type in Whiteboard Crypto login and click on enter. Now click on the first link, which is of Teachable. After that, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see a login link. Click on it. Then a login page will appear where you need to type in a valid email address associated with your Whiteboard Crypto account and your password on this field here. You can click on this I button to view your password to make sure that you have typed your password correctly. If you want to save your information on this device, you can check this box here. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on Forget Password link and follow the procedures to recover it. Now click on Login button to log into your Whiteboard Crypto account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.